Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's reading, I'm going to do a pick a card reading. And this will include this is a pick a card reading. This is going to be a Tagalog one. Kung anong energy niya towards you. So think of a person that represents whoever you have in. Choose a stone that represents whoever is on your mind. Pwedeng isang person per item. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 3. Again, this is a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for paid personal readings, check the description box below. Nandyan po yung contact details ko. Okay? So, isip-isip mo na kayo. Take your time. Pause if you need more time to choose kung anong pile. Okay? So, there. Let me see. Okay. So for those who chose number 1, here is your reading. Anong energy niya towards you? 8 of Cups reversed. Gusto kanyang balikan. Pero alam niya na it's not the time yet. Especially if you have chosen something na alam mong magpapalayo ng loob nyo, magpapalayo ng distansya nyo. If you're friends, maybe you chose to travel somewhere else. Tapos siya gusto niya magstay ka. Or pwedeng this could be a romantic partner, a spouse na parang mas pinili mong mag-abroad kaysa sa magstay. Or pwedeng mas pinili mo na magstay dito tas gusto niyang mag-migrate. So, pwedeng parang may sama ng loob or tampo. Bakit hindi yung gusto ko yung pinili mo, di sana magkasama tayo, something like that. Pero I don't think there's any like grudge na bahala ka dyan, hindi mo naman ako pinili, so bahala ka sa buhay mo. Walang ganun. In fact, this person would like to reach out to make amends, to bring back whatever's lost, and hopefully rekindle any romantic spark if this is a romantic prospect or a romantic partner. If this is friends, parang gusto makipagbate. Na parang okay, naiintindihan ko na kung bakit yun yung pinili mo. Bakit ganun yung ginawa mo. Ay, parang siguro kung if I were in your shoes, I would do the same. So, there. That's for you, number 1. Let's proceed. Kay number 2. If you have chosen number 2, this person thinks that you're a very abundant person, pero sinasayang mo lang. Na parang, pwede rin meron silang ino-offer sa'yo na pwedeng gusto nilang mag-reach out, gusto nilang, invite ka for investment, or maybe gusto ko kanyang pasalihin sa negosyo, pero parang you would like to strike your own opportunity. You would like to take advantage of what you have, parang in your own terms. Pero there's a big possibility na, they think you're just wasting your time. Kasi hindi ka nila nakikitaan ng result. Pero in truth, meron naman talaga. 4 of Cups. It's just that yung result na gusto mo, it's not up to their standards. Let's say, for example, you have money, you save money. Pero sira yung bahay mo, wala kang kotse, wala kang motor, wala kang sari-sari store, wala kang mga mamahaling appliances. Pero may pera ka. Alam mo yun? So maybe ito yung tingin niya sa'yo na parang, bakit hindi ka bumibili ng ganito? Bakit hindi ka nag-i-invest sa ganito, sa ganyan? Ayaw mo eh. Hindi yun yung gusto mo eh. So, pakialam ba? Yung ganun, yung parang, sila siguro kasi, or this person kasi siguro more on following the status quo. or they're more on making sure they have a reputable name or social status maybe, na parang sunod sila sa uso, sunod sila sa, kung sa Bisaya pa, sunod sa panon, kung ano yung nakikita mo outside or sa community, parang gusto nila parang blend in sila. Ikaw hindi. Parang wala akong pakialam kung giba yung bahay ko, may savings ako. Parang wala akong pakialam, wala akong kotse, may savings ako, parang ganun. Pwede rin you're also trying to save money para maybe lumipat ng bahay. Kaya hindi mo pinapaayos yung bahay mo kasi may plano ka lumipat. O pwedeng hindi ka bumibili ng kotse kasi plano mong gumawa ng farm. Or hindi ka bumibili ng mga mamahaling gamit kasi mas invested ka sa pagbili ng property. Alam mo yung ganun? So, this is what I think is happening, na parang they're wondering, parang anong nangyari sa'yo? May pera ka naman pala. Or parang, may pera ba to o wala? Yung parang, this person is measuring up kung anong amount ng respect ang ibibigay niya sa'yo. Ganito yung pinoproject mo. Para siguro sa paningin nila, tambay ka lang, wala kang ipon, wala kang narating, pero in truth, hindi naman talaga yun yung standard na gusto mo. Parang may tinatago ka na parang hindi yan yung gusto ko. Parang kung yan yung gusto niyo sa life niyo, okay, you're good. Parang ino-offer nila, dapat ganito ka rin. Ayaw mo nga. So yun yung nakikita ko na parang energy nila towards yun, na parang napapakamot siguro tong taong to, na bakit ba ayaw nilang bumili ng magandang bahay or bumili ng mamahaling gamit, appliances, kotse. Hindi nga yun yung gusto mo. Anyway, let's proceed kay number 3. Kay number 3, this person is actually stalking you. O pwedeng nagtatanong-tanong sa kung sino yung mga mutual niyong kakilala. There's something about your energy na parang nag-change na rin siguro, like maybe before tatamad-tamad ka, tas ngayon sumipag ka bigla, or maybe meron silang ina-underestimate na kikita ka ba dyan, pero tiba-tiba ka naman talaga. There's also a shift sa energy rin, na parang siguro ikaw yung nasa ilalim, tas ngayon ikaw na yung nasa ibabaw. Tapos sila nararanasan na nila yung pang-discriminate, yung pag-underestimate nila sa'yo, parang now they know how it feels. Na yung gusto nilang simulan, kino-question. And worse is, if ikaw tiba-tiba ka dun sa sinimulan mo na para sa kanila, alam mo yun, very out of the box na business. Let's say for example, ito, card reading. This is not a stable source of income. 'Di ba? Wala tong SSS, wala tong PhilHealth, wala tong tax lang meron. 'Di ba? Pero in this case, parang siguro umabot ka na siguro sa point na yung akala nila laro-laro lang na source of income mo biglang pumatok. And they're watching you. Na parang ba't ko ba pinagdudahan yung abilidad ng taong to? Pero whatever the situation of this person, whatever is this person's opinion, you no longer care. Busy ka. You're making your money. So continue doing so. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 3. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, check the description box below at nandun po ang details ko. Bye!